everyone, right here, your Philip friend. Half Filipino, half amazing, and welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for dropping by because here every day is a fabulous day. And for today's video, I'm going to talk about Svar. So alam ko na marami na sa inyo ang nag-exam, and there are few of you who are really aspiring to be call center agents, but probably this is one of the exams that you keep on failing. And maybe some of you, you're really challenged in passing this examination. Huwag kayong mag-alala because today, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga tips kung paano kumasa ng Svar. So just to give you a heads up, ako po, I've already took Svar, and also I'm creating this video because I want to share it with everyone. And to give you a short background about myself, well, I actually had working experience in a call center. So I've been in the call center industry for 13 years, and my exposure is basically more on the recruitment. So part ako ng recruitment team, but currently I am working as a language trainer. So let's go back to our topic, which is all about Svar. Svar test is a tool-based communication test that evaluates a candidate's proficiency in spoken English. So basically, parang kagaya siya ng Versant, kagaya siya ng Berlitz, kagaya siya ng iba't ibang language assessment na ginagamit ng mga call center, mga BPO, para ma-assess nila yung potential candidates to be hired as a call center agent or a customer service representative or a technical support representative. Now, similar to Versant, Svar has same type of assessments as well. It's just like I find it more easier compared to Versant. So, kaya I'm sharing this with you kasi gusto kong makatulong at gusto kong magbigay ng mga tips sa inyo para naman pumasa kayo at para naman magkaroon na kayo ng work. Since ito lang naman ang isa sa mga toll gates na mahirap ipasa when you're applying in a BPO industry. So, going back, Svar is an automated spoken English assessment tool, and this is available over interactive voice responsive or the IVR as well as the internet. So, this tool evaluates your pronunciation, your intonation mo, and then your listening skills, and of course your language anticipation, and of course spoken English understanding of the candidate. Kaya, pag nagtitake tayo ng assessment na to, dapat huwag kang kabahan, dapat isipin mo talaga at seryosohin mo yung pagtitake ng exam na ito. So, let's go through with the parts of Svar. Svar has 6 parts. So from section A to section F. Section A is all about reading and speaking. Here you will be instructed to read sentences. Okay? Remember, whenever you're asked to read that sentence, you have to read it aloud and clear. Avoid dead air, avoid stuttering, and don't use filler words. So, madali lang naman siya. Basahin mo lang siya ng maayos. Kailangan dire-diretso, kailangan kang magkakamali sa pagbasa. At syempre dapat, you have to observe the proper pronunciation. Now, section B of this assessment is all about listening and repeat. So it's listen and repeat. Here, you will just have to repeat the sentences that you will hear. So basically, may maririnig kang sentence na short sentences lang naman, and then uulitin mo siya. Okay? You have to listen carefully because you only have one chance to hear it. Now, don't worry if you did not understand the sentence on the recording. For as long as you follow the correct intonation, so mahalaga dito na pakinggan mo kung paano yung pagkakasabi ng word na yon, paano pagkakapronounce ng words na yon, and you don't sound doubtful of your answer. Dapat confident yung pagkakasabi mo at you should not sound hesitant. So, if you're like that, then you'll be good. You'll get points. So here, confidence is the key. Section C is all about free speech. This is one of my favorites. In this section, you will be required to retell on the topic provided to you. You will be given 30 seconds to organize your thoughts. After that, you will hear a beep tone, and then you need to verbalize your understanding of the topic for a maximum of 45 seconds. So when I took in my own experience, when I took this, I was given a scenario about a crowded market. So yun lang yung word na binigay sa akin, crowded market. And then, binigyan ako ng 30 seconds to figure out to organize my thoughts. And then after that, I was given 45 seconds to tell something about a dirty or a crowded market. So, syempre, sabihin mo lahat din sa market looks like crowded market has a lot of people. It has, you can find a lot of merchandise there. People are selling, vendors, and then kung ano pa, basta sabihin mo lahat ng pwede mong sabihin about crowded market. So, the goal here is to consume the time allotted to answer. So, dapat huwag kang titigil sa pagsasalita. Hintayin mo lang na matapos yung 45 seconds. You need to be creative in constructing your thoughts. Next is the section D is all about listening and comprehension, or it is all about answering simple questions. So in this section, you will hear a conversation. Parang short story lang siya, followed by a set of questions based on it. So for example, the recorded voice says, Jerome is a graduate of PS Biology at De La Salle University. He was born in Manila and has 6 siblings. Where did Jerome study college? So, syempre, sasagutin mo, De La Salle University. Kahit sagutin mo siya ng salitang De La Salle University, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that you sound affirmative and you answer the question promptly. But of course, it is better that you answer it truthfully and correctly. So again, direct to the point answers is okay. Basta tumpak yung sagot mo doon sa tanong according to the story being told by the assessor. Now let's move on to section E. This is all about vocabulary. So this will test your knowledge your knowledge about English. Mga simple words lang siya, English vocabulary. So this section will test your English vocabulary. All you need to do is to answer it according to the instructions you hear. So for example, the recorded voice will say the following, what is the synonym of the word quick? So bibigyan ka ng options. So let's say synonym ng word na quick, Q-U-I-C-K. Options are bright, A, bright, B, swift, C, clever, D, brilliant. So, ano sagot mo? Okay, the correct answer is B. So, remember, ang pagsagot ng tanong na ito is, ulitin ko yung tanong, what is the synonym of the word quick? A, bright. B, swift. C, clever. D, brilliant. Dapat yung pagsagot mo ganito. The answer is B, swift. So, nandun yung letter at nandun yung word ng sagot mo. So, yun ang alam kong magbibigay sila ng points at tama talaga yung sagot mo. Next is, bibigyan ka lang naman ng mga, I think, isa o dalawang questions about vocabulary. And then, yung last section is all about the grammar section. So, this is all about error identification. So, basically, bibigyan ka ng 4 sentences, English sentences, tapos, hahanapin mo doon sa 4 na sentence na magkakaparehas. Yung nga lang, it's a bit tricky. Hahanapin mo doon kung saan yung tamang sagot. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng example. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A, I eat dinner with my brother and sister. B, I ate dinner with my brother and sister. C, I eat dinner with my brothers and sisters. D, I ate dinner to my brother and sister. What do you think is the answer? Tama! Siyempre, yung sagot is B. I ate dinner with my brother and sister. So again, ganito yung pagsagot. Uulitin ko yung tanong. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A, I ate dinner with my brother and sister. Sorry. Mali. Ulit. Mali ang pagbasa. Ulitin natin. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? A, I eat dinner with my brother and sister. B, I ate dinner with my brother and sister. C, I eat dinner with my brothers and sisters. D, I ate dinner to my brother and sister. And you have to answer this way. The answer is B. I ate dinner with my brother and sister. So, ganon. I think isa, dalawa, or hanggang tatlo questions lang. Pero yung experience ko, it was only given. Ngayon, I know that you guys are ready and you're prepared to take Svar. So, of course, before anything else, before you take Svar, yeah, of course, mas maganda siguro mag-pray ka, mag-aaral ka, maggawa ka ng mga voice recordings mo para mapakinggan mo kung malinaw ba talaga at okay yung tono ng boses mo. But then again, it doesn't require you to be very fluent in English. It doesn't require you to sound like a real American. But then, as long as you're confident, as long as you're trying to be spontaneous, and as long as you're able to follow the correct and proper instructions, then you will be able to pass and get the job. Okay? So I guess that's all that I can give you for now. And then if you have additional or if you have other suggestions kung ano man ang kailangan pa ninyo about recruitment process and applying for a job, feel free to comment below again, and gawa natin ng paraan yan. I'll try my best to share whatever knowledge that I have, and I'll share everything that I have. Well, based on my experience in the recruitment for 10 years, I think marami-rami na rin ako na natutunan at marami-rami na rin akong masasuggest sa inyo. So, I'm just really hoping that all of you will be successful with your application. And then again, guys, I'd like to promote this as well. If you are aspiring to be a call center agent, and if you're a bit, you're struggling applying and getting a job in a BPO, please ping me. Then I'm willing to help you. Especially that one of my my current job is I'm an English trainer, so I'm willing to help every one of you to improve your communication skills, and of course, gawa natin ng paraan yan para ma-hire ka. So don't forget to apply. I'm currently working at Concentric, so you just have to, my FB, my Twitter, and my IG account is also on the description box. So please message me there para tingnan natin, baka malay mo makatulong din talaga. Kasi alam ko na need nyo ng job, and that's really one of my advocacies, is to really help and to make someone, especially those who are hindi na sila naniniwala sa sarili nilang kakayanan at hindi na wala na silang pag-asa na ma-hire sila. Then again, kaya-kaya yan. Just always remember to never give up, and just always remember to keep on trying and do not get tired of learning. So again, guys, stay positive, learn to attract positive vibes, okay? Remember the law of attraction, it says that when you think negative, it will give you a negative result. But if you think positive, then you will get a positive result. So, thank you so much for spending time and for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share, and of course, comment below, okay? Because I want to hear from you. Thank you so much, and have a great day. So, there you go. Talk to you later. Bye!